You see that here?
Yeah, man.
That's an area. Remember, we're there in LA. That's a nation from further Bangkok. And how much it has sell for? Yeah.
I've seen you online, man.
Yeah, respect you, respect. Respect, yeah. You know, an ambulance I'm sent for me. You hear me? Chip me chicken or fire truck. Alright.
Well, gangulee share his initiative and Vybz Kartel topic. And I've been saying this all along that since Vybz Kartel come out of prison, dancehall has changed. When I say change, escalate back onto the top again, you know what I mean? So just listen what gangulee has to say.
Me is an artist, you know. I like talking truth, you know. I wouldn't like, you know, can go chuck off. From Vybz Kartel forward from prison, dancehall no change. Talking truth, people. Dancehall no change. Vybz Kartel make 3/4 of the artists them have to go hide. Cause them bad mind. Vybz Kartel a focus on film life, film career, musically. And them a focus on Vybz Kartel. You see the difference? That's why them can't find a song. And them bad mind, they aren't no clean. But they are shrewd and I hear them a chat. I just go and listen and I say the same thing would I do me too. One thing I know, talking can't stop nobody in a life. Kartel a giant. And he bring a excitement to dancehall. And many am gangulee. I mean, no fear no artist. I mean, a bad mind, no artist. I just do my thing. I find songs like every day. Cause I like when artists bad. I don't like artists bad mind. Vybz Kartel change the entire dancehall. Some artists when they run a place, when they go ask them for collab, and you try to reach out to them, they hype on you. They must say your day is done. Because probably you did get a run before them. So they must say, I feed them time now. And they know I do not collab with you because you say it's a hype you look. So when you so young and phone days done. When you can't find a song again. One thing say dancehall one place on us find one or three song and I hit that on where the man heard. No. A longevity. So no give Vybz Kartel in respect. And ask me you no. Give no give me respect. Dancehall hot again. Vybz Kartel change dancehall again. And I just Jamaica, the entire world. Ask your mama, your girl.
Talk about them a goat. Them a must see one goat kid. Dismantle everything curry rotated. $1 million when me sport with. US and pound in a pocket, bloated. Feel me badness them coulda never joke with. What kind of pie that them run out with? Stone me down fling, make sure it noted. Black rain soaking, that him a fi float with. No play games, no fling that. Them fi know me colder than zero knot. Things say you bad, make it start. Jerk up the ground, watch the aftermath.
There I have it from gangulee, dancehall artist, you know what I mean? But right now, Rasta King want to share his opinion. So here he starts right now, what he has to say about Mavado and Kartel and people who are trying to bring down and tear the artist them apart. So just listen what he has to say.
Vybz Kartel and Alkaline and Mavado link now. So what the fans them are going to say about it? Eh? Me tell you no one who no see entertainer do entertainment. You no fi stay out of it. When you no see entertainment and comedian and content creator create them music and then content to put out lyrical clash or content clash, you no fi stay out of it. Entertainment is entertainment. Some of the fans are take it too serious and hurt people for it. Look how the youth them a live.
Yeah, people, so there I have it from the great comedian Rasta King, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, very funny. So right now, me never know so many things are going with Foota hype. Now, Kevin have a whole lot to say about Foota hype because me personally never know say Foota hype set him a gay. So people, me not even want to say this year that the has his mouth himself. You know what I mean? So, me go play a clip of Kevin. Big up yourself, Kevin.
Yo, file around, out, fuck. Foota hype. Foota, come here, so come. Make your Lord Vice man talk to you. Foota hype. Come over, yes, sir. Lord Vice man, I go talk to you right now. Foota hype, let me ask you a question. Oh, you're handed broke a country. Oh, you not take some money from the man them. Say you go bring my vado. And when time dance, pack up. And you there run sound and select and the man them come and say, where my vado there? You say the man soon come. When the man them call my vado when time I run out. My father say, I don't know nothing about what I talk about. The man say, me give Foota some money for give and him say, man, bring you come. Oh, you know they are gully god. The man say, yo, me don't know nothing about what I talk about. The man them beat Foota hype. Broke him up. Him have to run the bush. Foota hype. Foota. Well on there. You remember the 2 bag of spell flour where you're supposed to bring that Jamaica? Eh? And the immigration, them they tap in on the line and listen to you and think say are drugs you really are talk about. I saw them they hold you and take you off of the boat, off of the ship, yeah. You remember Foota hype? Alright now, remember this, you know, certain things are public knowledge, you know. When time you write up a statement where you say you're a batty man, and you write it, you know. You write your statement, say, if you go back to Jamaica, they will hurt you because you are gay. And Donald Trump are the president now. Donald Trump said, no 2 man, no man-to-man thing. So you have to go find a girl now, Foota hype. You have to go find a girl now. Donald Trump said, no want the man-to-man thing. The 90s talk where you keep on making. Youth, you don't know nothing about 90s. Because it's obvious. You live in Florida and come to New York the other day. And you stand up on one block where you say, me there 90s, me there. Bro, the sign behind you clearly show Beverly. Beverly, go look back where you did there, stand up, when you say 90s. You understand, you? Foota hype. Foota. You're too hype, bro. You understand? Me see you shoot off a Shandstorm every day. You understand? But you skin out pan DJ Kali car. DJ Kali, the man and nobody, brother. Your skin out pan DJ Kali car. Who is DJ Kali? Eh? DJ Kali is no far from Puff Daddy, brother. So when you skin out pan DJ Kali car, what more after that? Well, Foota hype me no want to know. But Foota. Youth, you don't know the ground where we walk on. And New York, me live. And you don't know the ground. You don't have nobody we can do nothing out here, so. What we can do? What you say? You know, here we are call up people out here, so youth. We run with ground. You understand, youth? Get it together, Foota hype. Know what you say. And get it together, all right? Yeah, man. Fix up your thought, them.
Moving on to the next topic. January. People, just sit tight and listen this one because this story is a very sad one. You feel a way for hear what Kevin have to say about what happened to a brother that reside in America, doesn't have his green card or no legal documents, and send back all his money back to Jamaica. And hear what family do him. So right now, I'm going to run the clip and make you listen for yourself. John Star, the one that is very sad. That's why, you see me not trust people, you know, especially family. And I will never send my money go a yard to make them do business for me. But just listen.
People want to listen to that story and listen to it good enough. A man there foreign who run off and him there here for over 20 years. Seems that him know say him run off and him not have no papers and can't get no papers. The man send on a little piece of money for him father sort out a land. The father sort out the land, show him the title, everything. The man goes and start the ball game. Start build up the house on the land. The man build up the house on the land. Wonderful house. The house look good. Show him progress. The progress look good. And everything. The youth never stop till him buy a car. Put in at the yard. You understand? And buy father a car for himself. However, with all this been going on, did you know, say, the father buy the house in a female girl name? The father now and the woman were him there with start have problem. The son decides, say, him a go home because one girl there in the house and the girl now want to come out and the father and the girl a go through things. But what the father did not tell the son is that he purchased the house in the girl name. Now, the father look like him never did know because the father can't read and write good. So the girl now lead him to do everything. And the girl put everything in her name. Car in her name, house in her name, and everything. Now when the youth reach back home, I deport to himself, you know, can't go back America. He have a piece of money same way. Watch you now. When the youth reach home now, the youth did send a piece of money to the father. The money go in at the girl bank account. You know, so when the youth reach a Jamaica, nothing not there for the youth. When the argument start, the youth look on them and say, yo, I'm my house, I'm pay my money, blah, 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 blah. Instead of cow fat. The girl look on him and say, this is my house. This is my house and you need to go. Call the police put him out. People, the worst thing could have happened to anybody who do things like this. Happened to the woman, you know. The man said, no. If me don't lose everything already, what me I live for? The man come back and the man unalive both of them. People, me telling you something. Be careful of the people them who not send on the money go give. If you do things for you. And first of all, you go to Jamaica one time and go do no own thing. And start out to no own thing. Because people don't know real, bro. Because can you imagine somebody do this to you? The man work and send him money. Deport himself. And when he deport himself, he not have nowhere to go. Because the house in him name. Legally, the house in the girl name.
There you have it, my viewers and subscribers. And thanks for watching. Those who haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe. Press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'm out.